Hello everyone, my name is Roland from Spice and Pans. Today I'm going to cook a delicious and nutritious Chinese trio egg spinach noodle soup that's perfect for a quick and hearty meal. What makes this dish even better is using Knorr Chicken Cubes with no added MSG. These stock cubes have no added MSG and are low in sodium. As we all know, too much sodium in the diet can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease and stroke. Knorr Chicken Cubes with no added MSG have been awarded the Healthier Choice symbol by the Singapore Health Promotion Board. So you can use them with confidence to prepare a delicious meal for your family in less than 30 minutes. So now, let's start cooking! Now we are going to do a simple marinade on our minced meat. I have with me over here 200 grams of minced pork. If you do not take pork, you can change to minced chicken meat, no problem. Add in 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. Instead of using regular light soya sauce, opt for low sodium light soya sauce or use lower sodium options such as Knorr no added MSG seasonings to make your dishes naturally tasty. Next we'll add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. This will give the meatballs a very nice fragrance. A little bit of white pepper. Now all we have to do is just mix them up well. And we will need to slam them also so they will become more bouncy. So once you have mixed them up well, gather them up together and then just slam them down like this. Keep doing this until they are sticky. So now this is done. It's already very sticky as you can see over here. Now we just need to shape this into small balls and then we'll put the dish together. Now we start to put the dish together. Heat up a pot or a wok. Add in a little bit of oil. Add in 4 cloves of garlic halved. Basically, we just need to brown the garlic. I'm using medium-low heat right now. We just want to bring out the beautiful fragrance of the garlic. This dish is extremely easy to make and very convenient, especially so when you're using Knorr Chicken Cube with no added MSG. When the garlic starts to brown like this, we'll add in 4 slices of young ginger. We'll just fry them until we can smell them. The beautiful fragrances coming out from the garlic as well as the ginger. Once you start to smell them, we'll add in water. Add in 1 liter of water. Turn the heat up to medium now. Now let's talk about the magic ingredient, Knorr Chicken Cube with no added MSG. It's made from 4 hours of long-boiled chicken and carefully selected herbs and spices. What I love about this is that it's an excellent shortcut to achieving a rich and flavorful soup base without the need for additional seasonings. Just add 1 Knorr chicken stock cube into the water and wait for it to dissolve. We'll put the lid on and wait for the water to come to a boil. The water is boiling now and we'll add in our meatballs. Give the soup base a light stir first. And we'll add in all of our meatballs. Put the lid back on and we'll cook this for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes is up, let's have a look. Wow, smells so nice. Beautiful. Give this a light stir. We'll now add in our noodles. I'm using dried knife-shaped noodles or tau xiao mian. You can use whatever noodles that you like. Just add them in. We'll add in the rest of our ingredients once the noodles have softened a little. Depending on the type of noodles that you use, you will cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the noodles have softened a little bit like this, we'll add in the rest of our ingredients. 1 whole century egg, cut into smaller pieces, as well as 1 whole salted egg, also cut into smaller pieces. Remember to boil your salted egg first, otherwise they will not solidify like this. Put everything in. Move them out a little. Now we add in a big bunch of our spinach. I'm using round leaf spinach over here. You can use any spinach that you like. This is one of my favorite veg. Alright, just move them around. This dish is extremely easy to cook and very delicious. And with Knorr Chicken Cube with no added MSG, you can cook any dishes you want, any day, easily. It's almost done. We'll add in 1 tablespoon of wolfberries or 枸杞子. Move them down a little bit. Now we are slowly adding 2 eggs. 1 and another one. Give it a light stir. Avoid breaking the egg yolks. Once the noodles are soft and the eggs are done to the way you like, you can serve this now. Look at how beautiful this is. Now we just need to top this up with crispy anchovies, and it's time for our lunch. Voila! Our Chinese trio egg spinach noodle soup is ready to be enjoyed. We made a hearty and delicious soup in no time thanks to Knorr Chicken Cube with no added MSG. Now let's taste this. Oh! Wonderful, super delicious. So easy to make, all with the help of Knorr Chicken Cube with no added MSG. Let's try the noodles. Happy man. Really delicious. So get your own box of Knorr Chicken Cubes with no added MSG and give it a shot in your kitchen now. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye.